The ninth typhoon of the season, Jongdari, is forecast to bring heavy rain and strong winds to the south coast and Jeju Island. Once it reaches waters west of Mokpo around midnight, it will be downgraded to a tropical depression and continue to head towards Sokcho in Gangwon-do Province. Waters off Jeju have been under typhoon alerts, and hot, moist air should pour down on the south coast. Until tomorrow, there could be 100 millimeters of downpours. The rest of the country will see 5 to 60 millimeters of showers, and the capital area will see heavier rain on Wednesday. The typhoon didn't bring any heat relief today. The capital saw highs nearing 37 degrees Celsius this afternoon. Heat will stay overnight, with the capital forecast to wake up to 31 consecutive tropical nights tomorrow. Highs will be similar or a couple of degrees lower than today, Seoul getting up to 31 degrees, Daegu, Gyeongju at 34. This year's heat waves will stay longer with more extreme temperatures, so stay safe. That's Korea for you. Here's a look at the international weather conditions.